Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my finished journal. I'm using Moleskine sketchbook. This is the large size, but I think it's an A5. This is the size I like the most. And as you see, I created quite a bug here. And I cannot use all the pages because after some time this is very uneven, and I don't like to journal on this surface, so I'm going to switch to another journal and call this done. One of you gave me a very good tip about this bulkiness problem, and she told me I could journal one page from the front and one page from the back. In that case this uneven situation wouldn't happen. So thank you so much for that tip. I will definitely try it in my next journal and see how it goes. Maybe I can utilize it more because these are not cheap, and you just throw away a lot of pages. As you see, all the pages here are on videos. There's nothing that's not recorded, and I will leave my playlist. I have a lot of playlists on my channel. There's a playlist called Art Journals, and all of them are there, but I will leave the link down below anyway, just in case. And I'll quickly tell you what I used if I remember, and do a flip through, and that's it. So this was the first page. Red is not a color that I use a lot or comfortably. It's very bright and significant, hard to combine, but I like the setup here. I think I used acrylic paints at the background. I'm not so sure, maybe gelatos, I don't know. I can't remember exactly. And then I used these little gems. Sentiment is from Tim Holtz sticker packs, and yeah, it's a simple page with a little bit trial of red. Then I have these cute frogs that I wanted to use. I just dripped sprays, I think. Did some stenciling for the background, and I used these are long foam. I'm not sure what the stamp set is. I really don't remember. I have them, but I don't remember at the moment. We'll see. Sorry. By the way, I stick two pages. I don't stick two pages together, but I don't journal back to back. Just in case I want to rip off a page, do something, I stick those pages afterwards. So that's why it's so thick as well. Here I used pen pastels at the background with a background stamp that has waves. I think it was my favorite things. And yeah, this paper body is graphic 45, and this is a stencil with a paste. Yeah, I love this page because I love the colors. I love blue and this combination specifically. So one favorite here. Then another is inspired by my cat. I think it was the times I just had a cat. So I used some paste with stencil here. The background is completely acrylic paint black. And this cute cat, I think it's Casa Craft. This cat is a set of cats and some butterflies. I like the contrast of black and orange. My cat is not orange, but yeah, I wanted to do the contrast, so I made a cat in orange. I'm not such a fan of this page, but it came out like this. I don't see a lot of contrast, so nothing is popping out. That's my issue with it, but yeah, nice one. I think I did acrylic paints, I don't know, such a long time ago, I can't remember, but these are from a scrapbook paper cutouts. This is a stencil from Stamperia. I used paste. I used some clock cutouts. I think I used paper cutouts at the background as well because there is a texture. This is a page I love a lot because the colors are vintage. This stencil I love, it's from Prima, it's a crackle stencil. And these butterflies from Tim Holtz Botanic collection, and this napkin, rice napkin, is from Stamperia at the background, and I used probably, it looks like I used acrylic paints, but it can be gelatos as well, maybe acrylic paints. These two I cannot differentiate because I use gel medium on top of everything, not to smear. But there are seep-throughs from other pages. It's okay, I don't have a problem with it. And this is a lot of texture. I was experimenting. I used mini stencils to create this texture. I used gelatos, pen pastels. Then these are cutouts. Actually they are dimensional, two on top of each other with a foam tape, and some of the color here with stickers. I really like this page, a lot of texture in the middle as well with gesso. There is no blue here, actually it's a see-through, but yeah, I don't mind the journals to be not perfect, it's fine for me. I think it's see-through from here because this is the illusion sprays. This is a very simple page. I just used a stencil from Crafters Workshop. I love this stencil. A little bit gold wax, some stickers I bought very cheap from a local store, and yeah, that's all really, and sprays as background. And this is another paper pad that I love from Graphic 45. Some gems again. The background is acrylics. The stars are Crafters Workshop stencil, and there's a real lace here. Some bits and pieces I took from my stash basically. Then this is a page that you guys love. It is infusions. I used infusions at the back, then I tore the page from the middle like this, and at the back pages I used another color of infusions. These are mushrooms from Lavinia stamps. They have very cute stamps, and yeah, just a sentiment here. And I made some grass with another stamp. These are sticker type of products from Nuvo. And another page that I love is this fall page, autumn page. Let me remember, the background is acrylics, I think. No, yeah, it's acrylics, and then these are distress inks all over a stencil, the leaves, and I made these drops over a stencil with a glossy accents. I used a transparent paste first, and then it came out, and I used glossy accents to make them more dimensional. And I don't know if you can see, there's rain, so I wanted to imitate rain. I think you can see now. And then this is my Halloween page. A little bit, it came out darker than I wanted, but it was fun. I have my ghosts peeking through the page. I used Lindy sprays all over, and this is a ribbon. I made it a border. Then I have this page that I love as well, very simple, and I love the colors. again in this sprays. This is Crafters Workshop stencil. I love this stencil. It's called Wines, something wines. Some crackle embossing, another stencil from Crafters Workshop, and the sentiment is also from a stencil. I just used paste. These are from Tim Holtz. And another page that I used rice napkins at the background from Stamperia. Acrylic paint, another paper I sticked here, and yeah, opening window. And I used again glossy accents here just to make it like a glass. And this is natural string. Another one with acrylic paints, brush strokes, big sentiment, and some flowers. This was a simple page, but I love the colors. Here is my Alice in Wonderland page, again with Stamperia paper pad. Background is spray. Everything is Stamperia here. I love this paper pad, and I love this border. It's dimensional. Then my Valentine's page. I love it so much, the colors and everything. I like these balloons. There is mica flakes here that I sticked, these hearts and clouds. I used tape, and at the background it's actually metallic, these paints. I love it. Then another Stamperia page, everything Stamperia. Paper pad that I love, it's called Blue Land. I cut out the wheel. This is a stencil. I used paste through it to create the background, and a background is sprays, and I used acrylic paints over it as well. I love it so much. And my last page is I used infusions and went for some color and contrast. So I used infusions at the background. I used a stencil to create these flowers dimensional, and I used gelatos to color them. This fox is from a Marlene paper pad that I showed in the video. So that's all. I'll start another journal and see you in another video. But all the videos, as I said, are down below at the description area in the playlist. And if you want to see all my art journals, probably I have around 100 art journal videos now. So if you're new, you have a lot to watch. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.